Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through installing your Lorex 4K IP PoE wired turret security camera. Model numbers: LNE95MDB, LNE95MDW, N4 Lite Nocturnal series. Inside your package, you'll find the Lorex 4K IP camera, the mounting template, the T15 Torx key, 4 anchors and screws, and the RJ45 waterproof seal. The number of cameras depends on the package you purchased. Before you begin, familiarize yourself with the safety warnings. Follow all instructions for safe use and handling of the product. Do not disassemble the camera. Use the camera within the specified temperature, humidity, and voltage limits. Avoid direct exposure to sun or intense light sources. Clean with a dry cloth only. Cables sold separately at pro.lorex.com and only use a regulated power supply. Let's go over the main features of your camera. 1. 12V DC input. 2. RJ45 coupler. 3. Cable notch. 4. Lock screw. 5. Microphone. 6. Camera lens. 7. Infrared LEDs. 8. Camera base. 9. Camera cover. 10. Turret camera. 11. Micro SD slot. 12. Reset button. Hold for 10 seconds to reset the camera. Choosing the right location is key. Aim for a spot with minimal obstructions and optimal coverage. Ideally, position the camera 10 feet above ground, angled 15 degrees downward to deter tampering and maximize visibility. Start installation by using the mounting template to mark and drill the holes. If you're mounting on drywall, wood, brick, or concrete, insert the provided anchors. Use the Torx key to loosen the lock screw and separate the camera base from the cover. Attach the base to the mounting surface with the provided screws and a screwdriver. Connect a PoE cable to the camera. Twist on the RJ45 waterproof seal, and if the camera is exposed to rain, seal it with silicone or electrical tape. Then route the PoE cable through the wall or along the wall using the bracket's notch, so the camera sits flush against the wall. Use the PoE cable to connect the camera to the NVR's PoE port. Reattach the camera and cover to the base. Tighten the lock screw halfway to hold it in place. Adjust the camera's angle, then fully tighten the lock screw to secure it. And finally, don't forget to remove the vinyl film from the lens for a clear view. Need help? Visit help.lorex.com and search for your product by name or model number. You'll find installation guides, troubleshooting tips, and support contact options. Enjoy your Lorex 4K IP PoE wired dome security camera.